And basically, that's when I had to pull my hand out of its ass and then wipe the shit all over his face because he's a dirty motherfucker! Terry, you know you have some problems, right? Can Jean Valjean please come to the captain's office? You in trouble? Shut up, Terry. It's probably nothing. You want to see me, Captain Javert? Yes, Jean Valjean. We have a new rookie for you. This is Ted. Is that right? Let's have a look at you. Yep. You look pretty proper. You'll be quite an addition to Del's team. Welcome, Ted. Now, the reason you have this new rookie is because I have a mission for you, and it is a 4-man job. At the moment, we are above planet Chronos, an empty planet. Nothing's meant to be down there, but we're getting radio signals. We need you to go down there and figure out what it is. Yes, sir. Come on, rookie. I'll introduce you to Terry. Yes, sir. Ten hut! Wakey wakey! What? Oh, sorry sir, just having a little power nap. Yeah. Excuses. Anyway, Terry, this is Ted, our new addition. So, new guy, huh? The rookie. What do you specialize in? Close quarter combat, sir! Prim and proper. I like this guy. Terry, don't get any ideas. Anyway, we have a mission. Mission? Hey, the captain said this is a 4-man job. There's only 3 of us. Who's the 4th? Well, you see, rookie, our 4th is our pilot. He's a pilot just for the Delta team, except every now and then, he'll come down with us. He'll party. His name is Mitchell. Every now and then we like to pick on him. Sometimes we call him a shell. Sometimes we get up until he's flying. I mean, he's an excellent pilot. But it's fun just to say that he's horrible. Hey! Get your stuff together. We're going down. Ah, crap. Now, rookie. Since we're right above the location we need to go to, we won't be taking the Pelican this time. We'll be going in ODST drop pod. Have you been in one of these before? No, sir. I can't say I have been. Well then, rookie, you're in for a treat. Alright, ladies. Are we all in? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, alright then. Off we go! Yeehaw! Hey, how long do you think it'll take us before we hit the ground? Oh God! Are we all good? You okay, rookie? This is the worst thing I've ever had to endure. Hey, at least you landed right side up. Can someone give me a hand? Yeah, hang on, man. Just give me a sec. Will you all stop playing around? The location's this way. Yes, sir. Oh my God! Will you look at this place? It has everything here. I mean, just look over here. Elite helmets, brute helmets, ground helmets, elite shoulder pad, hunter spikes. This place has everything. Yeah, even jackal skulls. Hey guys, look at this thing. It's a big case. help me turn it around. You guys ready? Oh my god. Am I seeing what I think I'm seeing? Mother of God. Guys, are you okay? Rookie, here. Michelle, here. Terry. Terry. Huh? Terry, I swear to God, if that is you. Hi. Wakey, wakey. Hands off, Sneaky. I was wondering how long it would take before someone finally got out here. Who are you? We're the owners of this place, and you for a trespassing. Oh yeah? Well, why does that guy there look so funky? He has like 3 colors on his armor. Oh, that's Timothy. That's what happens when you get your armor from scrap. Scrap? That's right. We ain't real Spartans. We just happen to get hold of the armor from all the dead Spartans we find. Old wars, battles, crashed ships. We just take what we can. We collect. That's what we do. Mix and match. The only reason we're able to be in these damn suits is because, well, a few years ago, a frigate crashed here. Must be a Spartan project frigate, because it had all the little nasties to give us superpowers. Well, what a normal person would call superpowers. You damn Spartans with your super strength and agility and all that crap. Thank God that all the serums were in that ship. Made us tough. We've collected some good stuff over the years, and we ain't letting it go. Get rid of them. With pleasure. What? All right. Come here, little boy. I'm gonna rape you. Alright, let's get out of this. There. Got it now. Should help rescue. Alright. Next. Alrighty. Alright. Get out here. Alright, boys. Grab your weapons. Hey. You really think that I'm going to let you get away? You got another thing coming. Fuck you. Take that, you multicolored fuck. Sir. We need to contact command. Good idea, Terry. Except, all transmissions have been cut off. We need to get to the radio room. That's the only place with a working radio to contact command. Okay then. You really think I'll let you go there? You really think I'll let you radio for help? Holy shit, Ted, what the fuck? I hate long speeches about how we're not gonna get away. Best time to kill person when he's giving a long speech like that. Don't wait. Makes sense. Let's go. Alright, this is the radio room. Look for that radio.
You'll never find the radio. I'll make sure that you don't find it. This is my base, and no one, and I mean no one, will stop me. The radio is in a very, very hidden place. And before you get to it, I will stop.
I already said that I hate long monologues. Good job, rookie. Let's find that radio. Sir, I found it! It's over here.
Well, alright. Mitchell, you call them.
Yes, sir.